Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Carter. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a premium scrambled eggs for yourself. And just for yourself, not for others. That'd be selfless. We don't do that here. First, I will show you the ingredients. To start off, we have, of course, the eggs that will be needed. Then, we have some added ham and bacon. To add more flavor, we have milk for the scrambled eggs. We have a common chopping board that will be used to chop stuff. And lastly, the frying pan. And with that, we will start the process of actually making the scrambled eggs. Okay, we are going to grab glass cup. And in glass cup, you will crack eggs. Except, we're not doing that first. Screw you, we're grabbing bacon. Get pranked. I like to joke a little in my kitchen, you know? Next, you will need scissors. Get pranked again. I didn't tell you you'll need that, but you do. What you're gonna do, you're gonna safely...
Oh no.
open up the ham. It appears I've cut the ham. But that is... oh shit. Oh. Which is intentional. I meant to cut the ham in half. Because that's where the ham was gonna happen anyway, to the ham. So you're gonna get the ham, you're gonna slam it down roughly, like you're taking it to bed and it's been a naughty little girl. You're gonna tenderly cut lines across the ham.
I can't see shit.
Oh shit, right? You're going to cut lines across the ham. Remember to comment down below your mum's address and phone number. I want to hit up all them MILFs. You're going to get all the ham together. After you've cut strips, you're going to cut them again, the smaller versions. And then once you do that, you're going to get them all together again and cut them again because they're still too thick. I like my meat fine and thin and in my mouth. Now your ham is ready. You will turn on your pan that you have. Into the pan, you will put all the ham.
Where are you putting the ham?
Into the pan. Next, get pranked again.
Wait, how did you turn it on? I didn't see that step. How did you turn it on?
Next, you're gonna flick the switch. Not this one, that's for the kettle. This one, for the pan.
Bro, it looks like you just pointed at the same switch.
How about you fuck yourself? Next, you're gonna spread around the ham while it's heating up our potentially food poisoning bacon that I randomly found in my fridge. And we're gonna garnish it on top. Fuck.
What are we making again?
Scrambled egg.
I honestly think there's gonna be more meat than there is egg.
Hey. Popping at me, bro. It's tickling.
You don't know Kung Fu!
We're gonna let that cook in the corner. It has tried to assassinate me. The bacon is turned. While the bacon cooks in the corner, we're gonna start on the eggs. Now, personally, for scrambled eggs, I like to use around about 6 or 7. I'm a fat boy, but because I'm not that hungry tonight, I'll have 4, maybe 5. I'm still a fat boy. Remember not to get eggshells in the yolk. Fuck, I just got a load of eggshell in the yolk. Damn it. Don't worry, guys. Just get your hands in there. Oh, it's so it's so slimy and cold. Oh fuck. Come on. I got. Oh yeah.
A note for our viewers: he did not wash his hands. He just finished unloading his load.
Guys, we don't wash hands here. We don't believe in that. That's one of the government's lies, like COVID-19 and 9/11 and Jeffrey Epstein. Oh no, he definitely unloaded his load on me. I am one of the children. Final egg. We crack the fuck, more eggshell! Damn it. I suck shit at this. Now, I've put my hands in there. Now there's more cum in this egg than there is egg. Oh, well, it's fine. It'll just be crunchy. Remember, keep the eggshells in for more flavor. That's what I learned at my professional cooking school. You can trust me. Okay, next. I'm gonna add the milk. After all this, time to finally mix it. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I spilled milk already. Oh, no, that's not milk. That's cum. I just want to remind everyone to smash like and subscribe. You know, I'm going to pay my child support, my 7 children in India, okay? I dropped them off there. I'm done with them. thought I was done with them, but now my wife's saying, oh, just because you drop them in India doesn't mean I'm gonna stop being with them. You still have to pay me. So, apparently I've got to pay for 7 children now. My wife is a 7-foot black guy. Anyway, guys, as you can see, eggs fully mixed up, beautiful yellow color. Now, I like to keep a nice, tidy workspace. Remember the scissors? The scissors right here? You got to safely put them onto the counter. That way, you won't forget them for later.
How do you know, Chef? How do you know when it's done? The whisk.
When it will be done to whisk, just have a taste. You will now be pulling over our pan. Oh yes. What the fuck? All the ham shriveled up and fucking died like my penis. As you can see, you know it's done because the bacon is perfectly still raw. Oh fuck, it's still angry. God, you remind me of my ex-wife in India. You're gonna pour the eggs in. Be sure to go in a circular motion to ensure that you get all the eggs in with all the ham and bacon. That is actually a proven method. It's also something you can translate to jerking off.
Somewhere in there is Chicken Little.
So, how you doing?
Brother,
know.
this is not the show for that.
I know you haven't been there for you. Oh, it's just the bacon. Oh, the egg is cooking. Now what you want to do is you want to go around the outside and push towards the set. Fuck. Some kickback. I forgot the canola oil. I'm gonna have a huge mess
Oh,
off.
bro.
Let it sit a tiny bit more. Not long though. Now is where it gets really good. You wanna push everything towards the center. You wanna cook the other side. That way it gets cooked all round and you're not eating sloppity slop. And that way you're not eating what looks like the leftovers of your mum's old saggy pussy. We're gonna keep cooking it through till golden.
What does the gold look like?
Finally, to perfect the end result, I find it's best to add some salt and some pep. Oh fuck no! Now, personally, I'm a huge fan of salt. I like them little pink white guys. Let's go. The one I find a little bad is the black pepper.
Oh no!
Personally, I find this takes away, and it's just super spicy. I can't handle that. Now, I think it's a hey. It keeps resisting in my hand. I'm putting it down. Watch yourself. Stop resisting! Stop resisting! I'm only gonna put a tiny bit of pepper because it can really ruin everyone's day. Just if the tiny bit of blackness is in there. Okay, we're gonna add salt. Now, I'm gonna add the pepper. That's enough. That's too much, bro.
I think that was a bit too much.
And finally, I would like to show off the end results. Beautiful, scrumptious scrambled eggs. Personally, this is beautiful. I will now
Oh no! What has he done?
bring out the fine china. Thank you, everyone, for coming back for another Cooking with Carter special. Be sure to tune in for next week. We're going to be cooking some bull testicles. Until then, remember the motto. Nay, nay, away. I think the first cooking video went quite well.